This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by parking the Swift Dzire on level ground with ignition off and the wipers in rest position. Once done, lift the wiper arm away from the glass and pry off the small plastic cap. Store it safe. Use a 12mm wrench to back off the retaining nut and mark the exact blade-to-arm index with a marker so reassembly returns alignment. Doing this prevents misalignment and stress on the splines. Now you're ready to remove the blade assembly. You'll unclip the blade from the arm, press the release tab or remove the spring pin and slide the blade off the hook. Next, inspect the pivot, linkage, and splines for play or corrosion. Bad bushings or a bent arm cause skipping. If the rubber is torn or hard, fit a new blade. If linkage joints are loose, replace bushings. Clean mating surfaces, apply a light smear of grease to splines, and slide the new blade onto the arm aligning the marked index. You reinstall the arm over the splines using your index mark for correct orientation. Tighten the 12mm nut snug, don't over-tighten, and snap the plastic cap back on. Lower the arm gently onto the glass, then start the car and run one full wiper cycle to confirm full sweep and solid contact across the windshield. If you see streaking or chatter, recheck the index alignment, ensure correct blade type, and inspect linkage where often a small index.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.